Welcome back to the Conduit drawing series for AutoCAD MEP. This is, I think this will be video number 8. And in this video, we're going to still stay away from drawing Conduit for a little bit. And we are going to work on some of the things we need for the drawing. Okay, today we're going to create a control point. Now, the control point is usually supplied by either the architect, engineers, or others, or even your team can get together and decide what the control point is going to be. And you normally don't have to create this drawing, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we have to create our own control point. All right. So let's get to it. All right. Remember that XR command. We'll type in XR, and you're going to get this window. Let me see if that'll. You type in XR, but I already have it open. So it's this window over here, external references. You're going to see this window. Okay. So basically what you want to do is come down here, click on this, and it says attach DWG. Now, the DWG is what what AutoCAD calls their drawings. All right. You got images and all this other stuff, but mainly we're going to attach DWG. So let's click on that. All right. Well, we have a floor plan that we drew, right? So let's click on that floor plan that we drew, and we're going to bring that in. So let's open that up. All right, it's going to come in. It tells you what it is. Now, what we want to make sure is not an attachment. We want it as an overlay. So basically, this surface is the piece of glass we're drawing on, and we're going to slide the floor plan underneath that piece of glass. All right. Scale, leave that unchecked. It should be 111. Insertion point, leave that unchecked. It should be 0, or remember, XYZ, 000. Path, we could go relative or full. Let's just go relative. Oh, we can't do it, huh? All right, let's go full path. We'll leave it there. Rotation, we're going to not specify on screen, leave it at 0. Block unit, leave it at 1. All right, and we're going to say OK if everything checks out. Boom. Oh. Okay, whenever something comes in and you can't find it, it's probably too small. Okay, so type in zoom, hit enter, type E, and it'll bring in everything that's included in the drawing. There it is. Okay, there's our floor plan. Now, remember we drew this thing. It's all part of the floor plan, right? The pointer to the control point, right? This is our control point is actually right here, right? Okay. So we brought this, we kind of did it in reverse, but well, we're assuming the architect is giving us the control point, or someone else is supposed to do this, but we got to do it. So we know that that's the control point. All right, let's double check. Click on this. We know that this drawing's at insertion point, and that is this point right here. Okay, 0, 0, 0. And that's where we're at. And let's see if the elevation checks out. Where's the elevation at? Well, Y is 0. Z is 0, right? Right, Z is 0. Well, Z is 0. Okay, we're good. All right. So, how do we create this drawing? Okay. First thing we want to do is come up here and save it. All right, let's go up here, save as, go to drawing, and we're going to navigate over to our Conduit folder. Right? I think I got it in this hard drive in here, tutorial, Conduit. I'm going to call this Conduit 008 control point. Okay, control point. All right, save. All right, so the drawing has been named. Now we're going to create a control point. Remember, this is an XREF. You click on it, it's external reference. That means it's below the glass. We are now going to draw on the glass. So let's go PL for polyline, hit enter. Going to select that 0, 0, 0. Come out here, click once, and click once. Escape, escape, escape. All right. That's it. Now let's double check this thing. We click on that, and oops, there's something else there. Polyline. Right there. Okay, X is 0, Y is 0, and elevation is 0. So this thing is at 0, 0, 0. Let's ID it just to verify. So type in ID, hit enter, and then click here. X is 0, Y is 0, and Z is 0. That's this little point right here. Okay. All right, so we're good. Now we got this XREF right here. So what we can do is we will come over to the floor plan and we're gonna unload. Oh, look at that. Okay, now when we zoom out, there's nothing here except for that one little item. Now, in this control point drawing, we don't need this drawing. So what we're going to do is going to come over here, highlight Conduit 007 floor plan, and we're going to detach it. That means it's gone. It's out of there. Okay, so now we hit Control S, and we saved it. So this is our control point. And we're going to bring that in to verify, and all our drawings will have a control point on it. And when we open them all up, they should all stack, and you should only see one triangle. If you don't, something is really wrong. All right, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.